turning the focus of our attention to the feeling state of our bodies with curiosity and ease and acceptance. Being present to our present moment. And breathing in 360 degrees around our waist on the inhalation, and relaxing into that space on our exhalation. Opening ourselves up to the fullness of our experience and relaxing in trust and surrender, accepting all of the myriad sensations that our body brings in this present moment. And feeling the fullness of our expansion, the flowering of our attention, the experience of engaging with the world. And for just these moments, as if we were a flower, petal by petal, bringing in our petals like they express in the sunlight, and at nighttime they enclose the center of the flower. Let us enclose our attention with each area of our care, our family, our friends, our interests. Bringing our attention into ourselves to be restored by the fullness of our attention. Knowing that we will unfurl our attention again to the world, to our creativity, to our expression. But for this moment, bringing it in so that our body has the fullness of our care and attention. And our areas of care and interest come deeply into ourselves so that we are reigniting ourselves and our interests. And continuing to notice as we bring our petals in, how the sensation of bringing our attention into ourselves. From all of our worldly cares. From the wellspring of our love bubbling up within us and nourishing each of these petals as they come in to be restored. Feeling our wholeness and our connection. So that when we go back into an expressive state, we bring the fullness of our creativity and love and wonder to everything that receives our attention.